Hey guys, today's topic is question tag, and basically we are learning question tag from the age of 10, which means you will be learning from 5th standard or 6th standard onwards. And the question tag is not a difficult one, it's an easy format of grammatic structure. Basically, we use question tag to interrogate people or to get a correct form of answer from the person. For example, if I ask you your name, right? It's like you are Jack, and to confirm you, I'll be using like you are Jack, aren't you? Which means I'm asking a question to a question. If I ask a question to a question, then I get answer. Basically, we are using a method of probing. If we probe the person, then we get a right answer to it. So let's start with the question tag for today's format. Okay, so basically we have the first statement. The first statement is this man tries to live a happy life. So basically in this question we are getting an example which says that there's a man who is trying to live a happy life. Okay, in this thing, first point which is we need to do is ask a question to a question. What is it about? Okay, and then we need to search that what is the verb. If we know that what is the verb, then we need to get that verb and we need to relate it to the sentence. Okay, so if we do these 3 steps, we'll get a sentence like, does the man try to live a happy life? Which means we are asking a question to a question. Okay, basically we are getting a statement in a different format. Before the format was like 1 to 1, now it's like 1 to 2. Cause the verb is the only thing which we can relate the sentence with, and the third thing is to relate the sentence to the verb. Okay, so when we'll go through these 3 points, we'll definitely will get a word which is does. Like when we are asking a question to the question which is this man tries to live a happy life, when we are reforming this question into a question, we'll be getting another question which is does the man tries to live a happy life. So we are getting the word does. So when we get the word does, how we are getting the word does? Cause in the question when they give us this man tries to live a happy life, we are getting tries. So the tries is a verb which says that the man is in a form to convert his action into actionable verb. Understand? So when we get this answer, you must change it into negative. It should be like we are getting the question like, does the man tries to live a happy life? So the best and the easy format is to change that does into doesn't. And we all know that a man is he. Correct. If we change it into a pronoun, we'll get a he. So the answer is doesn't he. Understand? And if we go with the next question, okay, the next question is they manage their business well. Basically, guys, we don't need to have any other complication to question tag. Basically, it's too easy. So we need to use the same logic to the next sentence also. Okay, so if we use the same logic, we'll be finding like, do they manage their business well? which means we are having the word do. So when we will be writing the answer, it should be like, they manage their business well, don't they? What I'm doing, I'm just changing the word do into a negative sentence, a negative word, which is forming you into express the word do into don't. Okay. And the most important thing which you all need to note is the question must be asked according to the tense, which means if I am asking a question to the question, my question which I am asking, it should be according to the tense. Okay. If my question will be, Manish won so many medals, if I'm using when, if it's when, then I'll be using do. But now the question is, Manish won so many medals, which means it's a past tense. If it's a past tense, then and only then you'll be using did. Okay. So when you'll be using did, your question to the question will be, did Manish win so many medals? Then your answer will be, didn't he? Manish won so many medals, didn't he? Your expression will be deciding your probing power, which is basically question tag.